Hello viewers, in this video we are going to see a timer switch. This timer switch is operated by a alarm clock. This timer switch is used to turn on load at any instant of time. This is a mini turn on switch for emergency purpose. This is a main off switch and a circuit on off switch. Let's see what's inside. You can see a old digital clock. This clock operates the relay. Remove the watch and let's see what's inside. These pins are the buzzer pins from the watch. These are the circuits. Try to remove these wires. Here you can see the electronic switching circuit. This circuit is used to turn on the load. Five-volt relay is used to better isolation, and the transistors are the SR latch. This latch is used to toggle the relay if a signal comes from the watch. This is a very simple circuit. This 5-volt charger circuit is used to power the circuit. This is very safety for this circuit. This is the 3-pin socket, and these foams are used to prevent the circuit from damaging. So I used many foam in the circuit. That's all. Very simple circuit. Let's assemble it. Okay, now it's assembled. Let's test this. This is emergency on, off, on, off. By using a load, on, off. Now it's okay. Now let's set an alarm. Now the time is 8:09. We are going to set 2 minutes. 8:11. You can see the alarm set as 8:11. That's all. Just wait for 2 minutes. The, the relay will correctly turn on at 11. Okay guys, the 2 minutes is going to be end. You can see the relay accurately turned on at 8:11. Off. You cannot immediately turn off this because alarm is now ringing. Let's see the time. You can see 8:11. The alarm rings for up to 30 seconds. You cannot turn immediately. Now I can turn off. Hey guys, I hope you love this real-time timer based switch. For more real-time videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you.